Hello everybody, my name is Alex Schultz and this is my project submission for the AWS DeepLens Challenge. The project that I did was called ReadToMe, and it's an application that reads books to children using the AWS DeepLens device. To do that, I broke the problem down into a number of sub-steps. The first step would be using the inference model on the AWS DeepLens device to detect when there's a block of text on a page. So the child holds up a book to the camera on the device. The model detects the block of text. And then the next step is I need to perform a series of de-blurring operations to get rid of any of the motion blur that occurs when the page is moved around. So if you have a kid moving the page around, you have to try to clean that up or else you won't be able to read it. So I do that, and then the next step is I remove any of the noise from the image. So I isolate the block of text that was identified in the model. I remove the noise using a series of filters and like a Gaussian blur and OpenCV, and I try to clean up that text block image as good as possible. Then I turn it into black and white, and then I use Tesseract to perform OCR on the text. Once I get the text back, I send it to Poly to do text-to-speech, and then I play the speech as audio through the audio jack on the DeepLens device. So let me go ahead and wrap this up and I'll give you guys a demo.
Hello, I am an Amazon DeepLens device. Working with AWS, I am capable of doing amazing things. For instance, would you like to read a story? Ensure you are in a room with good lighting. Then, pick out a good book and open it up to the first page. Hold the page up to my camera for a few seconds, making sure not to move it too much. Once I am able to read the page, I will play this sound. Once I have read the page out loud, simply turn to the next page and repeat the process again. A couple things to keep in mind for getting the best results. Do try and hold the book still when showing me the page. If not, it will be impossible for me to read the text. And another thing, please hold the book so that the page is horizontal to the screen. I am pretty smart, but remember, I am a computer after all, and so sometimes you will need to help me along the way. Now then, shall we begin? Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam Lamb. I do not like green eggs and ham. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam. I do not like green eggs and ham.